The West 6th Street and Guadalupe Street area in Austin, Texas, is a bustling part of the city known for its mix of commercial and residential buildings. It is a prominent location that houses various types of establishments, including retail shops, restaurants, bars, and offices. The buildings in this area reflect Austin's unique blend of modern and historic architecture, with newer developments often featuring sleek, contemporary designs that complement the more traditional, older structures. This intersection is part of Austin's vibrant downtown district, making it a popular spot for both business and leisure. Buildings here typically cater to a diverse crowd, ranging from local residents and university students to tourists and business professionals. The area's proximity to the University of Texas at Austin makes it a lively and energetic spot, particularly popular among students. The architecture in this area is varied, with some buildings offering ground-floor retail spaces and upper-floor offices or residential units. This mixed-use approach helps create a dynamic urban environment. The buildings on West 6th Street and Guadalupe Street often feature amenities such as rooftop patios, which offer stunning views of the cityscape and are popular spots for socializing and entertainment. Overall, the West 6th Street and Guadalupe Street buildings contribute significantly to Austin's urban charm and are a key part of the city's cultural and commercial life.